Welcome back to another video. I'm going to use this Rain-X waterless car wash. Just pretty much use a microfiber cloth and just wash the car. I'm doing a quick walk around right now to show you how the car looked before I started this little wash. As you can see, it's a little dusty, not too bad. What I noticed with this dark color, you can see dust a lot on it, but it's still better than black. Black you can see a lot more. The first thing I noticed is that it's like a waxy type of feel. So it's not very watery. So as you put it on, you got to really buff it in. You have to like buff it real good because you will see streaks. Besides that, it's a good workout. I learned a valuable lesson. Do not put this on your windows because of that same waxy feel. It leaves haze on the glass. So I learned that the hard way. But on the actual body of the car, it's not a problem. It actually works out real good. But once again, I would not put this on the glass. Just doing some finishing up touches, trying to make sure I got all the spots. It's real easy to see which spots you missed because you'll see the spots nice and shiny. Now, this is after I figured out that the glass get real hazy and it's like a streaky, so I had to go take some Windex and try to get all that stuff off. So this is actually probably the hardest part, getting that hazy stuff off the glass, that Rain-X, whatever it is. So I spent a little bit of wiping it off and it was nice and caked on. So like I said, do not put this on your glass. Use Windex or whatever. Now I just do some Windex on the hubcaps, wheel covers, whatever you want to call them, just to shine them up a little bit. This is the outcome. As you can see, it did a real good job. It has a nice polished, shiny look to it for the most part, and you see that there's no dust like it was before. It's nice and shiny. But once again, do not put this on your windshields. Now the question is, will I do this again? Yes, you know, this is not bad. This is a good wash, especially if you don't want brushes from the car wash to be put on in your car. That might add scratches, especially, you know, that would be a good reason. But do not put this on the windshields, because it took me about 20 minutes to put this on. But out of those 20 minutes, 6 minutes was me buffing out the wax stuff off the windshields. So if I would have knew that beforehand, this would have been a lot faster. Would I do this again? Of course. The car wash is quicker, but this is actually pretty good. Better outcome. Peace!